day 2 for house hunting for me with my team. I know a lot of you guys have been hitting us up and saying, hey, we can help you, we can help you. Guys, we have in-house vendors and realtors because this is a service that we provide to our clients. We're only showing you this step by step because now I'm relocating to Kenya. So it's okay, we know what we're doing. We actually provide this through our 120-day relocation integration program when we relocate our clients from the US, Canada, and the UK, all right? So follow me as we start today's property house hunting for me. All right, peace. Ooh. 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 I like the homey feeling. I love the homey feeling. We can do a little something with this. Oh my God, it's spacious. Oh, no construction. No construction. That's the first thing I'm looking for now, is construction. But I love this, very spacious. I already like the homey vibe.
This is your bedroom. This is gonna be your bedroom. You have your walk-in. Surprise!
Oh yes! It has a tub! Aha! It is? Yeah. Windows. Are you serious? This is a terrace?
Your second bedroom.
I do love this. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, because while it's not as modern, you know, or whatever, it's the homey vibe that I like, and you could do so much with it. Looking for interior designers. That bedroom, forget about it. This is great. Man. I must say, guys, I like this one. I do really like this one. The windows, I love that.
You said you don't love the windows.
I like the windows, but what I mostly like about this place is the space, and there's no freaking construction in sight.
Look at your neighbors.
And look at my neighbors.
Yes.
My potential neighbors. I'm not telling y'all, but this is a good one. No construction in sight. Guys, one of the things that I've been learning with my relocation to Kenya, some of the things I like, some of the things I don't. There's a difference when you come and visit. There's a difference when you come and stay for 6 months. There's a difference when you come. So now that I'm here permanently, and there's specific things that I want in my home. One thing, I want to feel comfortable. I just want to feel like I'm at home. And when I walked through the door, it felt homey in here. And then there's so many things you could do with the decoration that just make that place look so beautiful. That's number one. But the space is another thing. When you're looking at some of the apartments here in Nairobi, especially the newer apartments, they're not that spacious. And then if you're looking for the more spacious one, they're probably going to be out your price range, to be quite frank, right? And then thirdly, I cannot do the noise. I cannot. And because we're partially virtual and a physical company, a lot of the times I'm working from home. I could work from home and just have an office space, right? The construction drives me crazy. And I'm an 8-hour a sleep type girl. I'm not that 4-hour, 5-hour entrepreneur. I need 8 hours to sleep, and I need quietness because I sleep very, very light. And it's hard for me to get rest. But the only thing I hear is kids playing, but there's no construction. I don't know, guys. I like this. This is nice. This is nice now. Y'all got a good one on this one. This is a contender. We have what, 2 more to see?
Yeah.
2 more to see
Today,
for today, and then we have one more consultation, right? So in our 120-day relocation program, what we do, let me explain it to you guys. Typically, we start 30 days before you arrive in the country, all right? And if you need household goods shipment, if you need transitional housing, what we want to do is do a virtual tour for you for your transitional housing. And your transitional housing is only for 30 days once you arrive on the ground. Now, during the 30 days when you arrive on the ground, we take you through our integrative services, which comprise of education assistance if you have children, if you want to buy a vehicle, our VIP medical tourism and healthcare program that we provide, healthcare insurance that we provide, the justice system, social awareness, political awareness, everything that you can imagine you don't need, we include in our relocation integration program. So since I'm going through my own program, I'm doing the 30-day integrative program, and we're on day 2 of house hunting for my permanent housing. So that's what's going on, guys. When you're seeing these videos, I'm literally going through the program that we offer you through our 120-day relocation integration program. Now, for more videos like this, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. If you are looking to travel with Traverse Culture 2025, go to the link below, tverse.com. Also, if you're looking to relocate to Kenya, please contact us via our website. You can also go to our IG or our TikTok page and holla at us, okay? Y'all continue to follow me on my journey. All right, it's your girl Kia from Traverse Culture. I'm here on day 2 of my permanent house shopping. We are at property number 2, and I must say it is amazing. I am standing in front of this beautiful view. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. And this particular place is going to be one of our vendors. So if you are interested in relocating to Kenya through Traverse Culture, go to our website today, tverse.com, like, comment, and share this particular video. But I want to walk y'all through this property, okay? It's absolutely stunning, okay? Come on, let's go. I want you guys to see this. Hold on. Look at this. Full 360 of Nairobi City. And when I tell you it is so quiet, so peaceful, in this location, I think you guys that are coming through our services would really, really appreciate a property like this. I love it. I don't know yet. We'll see if this is one of the places that I choose to permanently live. All right, guys, we're entering into a 2-bedroom townhouse. This is the second property that we're looking at today, and I absolutely love it. Look at the modern kitchen. It already comes with a 4-eye stove, overhead oven as well. Absolutely love it. I love the hardwood floors on the staircases, but this area is super spacious where you can put at least a 3-seater couch, your TV, and a kitchenette right there and still have enough room. You have a half a bath downstairs, which is absolutely beautiful. A beautiful balcony. And one of the things I love about this property, guys, it is super quiet. Super quiet. One of the things that I was looking for in a place to stay is noise proof, where I can just be in my home and it's quiet. I'm used to living in the suburbs, so something like this would absolutely fit me. So it's pretty good, guys, pretty good. Let's go see upstairs. Look at the beautiful hardwood floors and the lights that go up the stairs. Absolutely amazing. I love the finishing touch. Nothing too crazy in terms of the architect, just right. So I'm gonna go to the master bedroom first. Again, guys, a nice queen size bed, a television, maybe a nice little size dresser. Can go in here. You have your ensuite bathroom with a shower. I'll let him get that. Spacious closet space, which I need. All right. Look at that. Love it. Let's go look at the other room. You also have closet space here, right? This is the guest bedroom. Again, spacious, nothing but room for your closet space. I can't wait till my family come and visit. Forget about it, they're gonna love it. And then this room actually got a small balcony. Small, very small, but still very nice. And it also has its own bathroom. Full shower, toilet, sink, very beautiful. I don't know, guys. Y'all gotta keep watching to see which property I actually choose, but this one is a contender. If you wanna see more videos like this, like, comment, share, subscribe to our YouTube video for all of videos just like this. And we also want you to start following the journey of our clients that will be coming and traveling with us, relocating with us, and accessing the medical health system right here in Nairobi, Kenya. See you in the next video. Peace.